Hello students, this is Hardik sir. Today we will be starting our part 3 from the book Resources and Development, the lesson number 1, Resources. So part 3 we will be discussing about conserving resources. So first, what is resource conservation? That is the most important question. What do you mean by the word conservation? Conservation means to use something which is very carefully, carefully so that it can be used over a long period of time or even for the future generations. So we will be using these resources very carefully so that it can be even for longer time with us and for the next generations. So with the last part, as we had left with this picture, so this is the picture of Mona's nightmare which she had previous night, and she found that all the water on the earth had dried up and all the trees cut down. As you can see in the picture, that there is no single leaf, and even there are number of skeletons which you also can find. So they have all died. And why it has happened, so we will continue with the story. So there was no shade and nothing to eat or drink. People were even suffering and roaming here and there, desperately looking for food and shade. Because of no trees and no food, now people were suffering too much, and because of that, even number of animals and humans also have died. So this has happened in a dream, but she shared the dream with her mother, asking if this can really happen. So she told her mother about the dream, and she asked, can this really happen? So what was her mother's reply? So Amma replied yes, means she agreed that this can happen. If we are not careful, then even renewable resources can become very scarce. So renewable resources भी बहुत कम हो जाएंगे, उनकी भी किल्लत शुरू हो जाएगी. नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज जो है, सो नॉन रिन्यूएबल वंस कैन डेफिनेटली गेट एग्जॉस्टेड, वो तो ख़त्म होने ही वाले हैं. सो दिस कैन हैपन ओनली व्हेन वी आर नॉट केयरफुल, अगर हम केयरफुल नहीं हैं तो. बट हाउ टू बी केयरफुल? सो दैट्स वाई इवन राजू हैड अ क्वेश्चन दैट व्हाट वी कैन डू, हम क्या कर सकते हैं. सो व्हाट मम्मा रिप्लाइज, दैट अम्मा रिप्लाइड दैट दे कुड डू लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हो सकती थी. सो नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दैट वाई Amma has said that lots can happen. So first we will understand resource conservation definition again. So using resources carefully and giving the time to get renewed. So we will give it time to renew. So there are number of resources which get renewed after thousands of years. So we cannot give at least thousands of years, but we can at least use them carefully so that they are renewed, and by the same time simultaneously they are also used. So this is how we can conserve the resource, and that is known as resource conservation. But along with the resource conservation, we have another definition, that is sustainable development. Sustainable. So what is sustainable? What is sustainable development, that we will see. So balancing the need to use resources. So हमारे जो भी resources है उनका use किस तरह करना है. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for future. So we also will use, and our future generation also will be able to use the same resources. That can be known as sustainable development. Even you can find in the glossary also. So carefully utilizing resources, we will be using resources very carefully. So besides meeting the requirements of present, also take care of future generations. So in present also we will use, and even the future generation also would enjoy them. So this is the most important part to study, to understand that we have to use every single resource in a very balanced way, in a very careful manner, so that it can sustain with us for a longer period of time, and even future generations also can enjoy it. There are many ways of conserving resources. So what are the number of ways that these children are going to discuss about, and even you should also put your ideas. Before going further to the video, please pause your video once and try on your own that how you can save nature, how you can save your resources. So please do pause your video and then come back again. So after coming back as you would have written number of things, just try to check your answers with the answers of these children also. So now what are the ways of conserving resource? So we will study further. So each person can contribute by reducing consumption, recycling and reusing. So as we know, reduce, recycle and reuse, these are the 3 R's which are most important for sustainable development. Ultimately it makes a difference because all our lives are linked, because if we all will try together, then definitely there will be a difference. By just one person it cannot be, but as we know, one man can make a difference, then you are so many, and definitely there can be a difference. So now that evening what the children and friends did, about that also we are going to find soon. But before jumping to that, we will find some principles of sustainable development. Let us have a look over that first, and then we will come back to the conservation. So what are the principles of sustainable development? So you will find first point, respect and care for all forms of life. All forms of life must be respected and we must take care, because it is the part of ecosystem. Internally we all are interdependent, and that's why we must respect and take care for all the life forms. We must improve the quality of human life, we should try for that, so that ultimately will lead to the sustainable development. We should conserve the earth's vitality and diversity. सो डाइवर्सिटी एंड वाइटलिटी को कहीं ना कहीं हमें बचा के रखना है, और तो ही सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट रहेगा, यानी तो ही ये डेवलपमेंट सस्टेन हो पाएगा. वी शुड मिनिमाइज द डिप्लीशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. जितना हो सके केयरफुल यूज़ करेंगे, सो ये नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है जो तबाह नहीं होंगे, ख़त्म नहीं होंगे. वी शुड चेंज पर्सनल एटीट्यूड एंड प्रैक्टिसेस टूवर्ड्स द एनवायरनमेंट. दिस इज़ द चेंज दैट वी हैव टू ब्रिंग इन आवर सेल्व्स. And at the most important, enable communities to care for their own environment. जब हम सब हमारे environment के बारे में चिंता करेंगे, तो definitely कहीं ना कहीं एक अच्छा नेचर, एक अच्छा तोहफा हम आने वाली जनरेशन्स को दे पाएंगे. So these are the principles of sustainable development. You can be even asked in the exam that what are the important or some principles of sustainable development. Then these all points are very important. Next we will come back what the children have done. So these children, when they were together, they made packets and shopping bags out of old newspapers, discarded clothes and baskets from bamboo sticks. तो उन्होंने कुछ ऐसे पैकेट्स एंड शॉपिंग बैग्स भी बनाए जो न्यूज़पेपर या डिस्कार्डेड क्लोथ्स में से बनाए उन्होंने. फिर बैम्बू स्टिक में से उन्होंने बास्केट्स भी बनाए. And Mona said that we would give them to every family we know, और आसपास के सभी फैमिलीज़ को वो ये देंगे, so that they can save nature, और ऐसी नेचुरल चीज़ों को ही वो यूज़ करे जो हमारे नेचर को ज़्यादा कहीं ना कहीं डिस्ट्रॉय नहीं करता है. फिर उसके बाद आफ्टर ऑल इट इज़ फॉर अ वेरी गुड कॉज, जैसा वो ऐड करती है, मुस्तफ़ा ने भी कहा कि ये कोई अच्छे काम के लिए हो रहा है. टू सेव आवर रिसोर्सेज एंड टू कीप आवर अर्थ अलाइव. तो ये नोबल कॉज था, एक गुड कॉज था जो ये बच्चे सोच रहे हैं हमारी अर्थ को बचाने के लिए. नेक्स्ट यू कैन फाइंड जैसी क्या कहती है, आई एम गोइंग टू बी वेरी केयरफुल नॉट टू वेस्ट पेपर. क्योंकि पेपर के लिए कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारे पेड़ काटे जाते हैं, ऐसा वो मानती है. सो शी एक्सप्लेन्ड दैट पेपर के लिए मैनी ट्रीज आर कट डाउन टू मेक पेपर, and that's why she is going to use them in a very careful manner. She is not going to waste the paper. नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं मुस्तफ़ा भी कुछ चिल्ला के कह रहा है दैट आई विल सी दैट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज़ नॉट वेस्टेड. यानी आपने भी लिखा होगा शायद, आई विल ट्राई टू सेव इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वी विल यूज़ पेपर बैग्स वगैरह वगैरह, वी विल टेक केयर दैट मोर ट्रीज आर नॉट कट. सो देर आर नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स बाय दैट वी कैन save our nature, we can conserve our resources. So electricity comes ultimately from water and coal, and that's why he is worried about it. वो ज़्यादा electricity waste नहीं करेगा. Then we will find आशा भी कुछ ऐड करती है that I will make sure that water is not wasted at home. So you also would have written to save water. So in many ways you can save water. So every drop of water is very precious, and that's why she said that she would take care that the water is also not much wasted at her home. So together, all the children together, they shouted that together they could make a difference. And I do agree that you also can make a difference. One man can make a difference. If you all will try, then definitely we can conserve, we can definitely bring sustainable development. So these are some of the things which Mona, Raju and their friends did. So now there is a question for you. What about you? आप क्या सोचते हैं? How are you going to help in conserving resources, as you have already written? So even your answers also would be matching with these answers. So now the future of our planet and its people is linked with our ability to maintain and preserve the life support system that nature provides. So नेचर जो प्रोवाइड करता है हमें ये एबिलिटी कि यहाँ पे जो लाइफ सपोर्ट सिस्टम मेंटेन रहे, उसके लिए हमारा भी कुछ ड्यूटी है कि हमें क्या करना चाहिए. तो इट इज़ अवर ड्यूटी टू एंश्योर all uses of renewable resources are sustainable, so that it is sustained in a positive way, and it also can be carried forward as a legacy, as a gift to our next generations. सो हम रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज को उसी तरह इस्तेमाल करेंगे ताकि इतना केयरफुल यूज़ होगा, सो दैट हम उसी चीज़ को शायद हमारी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को भी गिफ्ट कर पाए. इवन द डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ लाइफ ऑन द अर्थ इज़ ऑल्सो कंजर्व्ड. तो हमने जैसा यहाँ पे देखा, टू रिस्पेक्ट ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ लाइफ, वी इवन विल एंश्योर दैट द डैमेज टू नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट सिस्टम इज़ मिनिमाइज्ड. सो नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट का जो सिस्टम है उसे कम से कम डैमेज हो हमारी एक्टिविटीज़ से, ह्यूमन की एक्टिविटीज़ से, ऐसा हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. सो सिर्फ रट्टा मारने के लिए हम नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं. आप ये सब चीज़ें याद रखेंगे, समझेंगे कि हमारे लिए, आने वाली पीढ़ी के लिए, फॉर अपकमिंग जनरेशन्स इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी, इसीलिए पढ़ाया जाता है. तात्पर्य सिर्फ यही है कि आप इन चीज़ों का काफ़ी केयरफुली इस्तेमाल करें. हमारे रिसोर्सेज, उनका डेवलपमेंट कैसे हो सकता है, हम किस तरह उन्हें बचा सकते हैं. देयर आर नंबर ऑफ एस्पेक्ट्स जो आपको समझने हैं. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर द डे. वी विल बी कंप्लीटिंग एक्सरसाइज वेरी सून. कीप लर्निंग.